In this video, I'll show you how to answer calls using your Beats Fit Pro. So it's very easy. Let's start with what you need to do to answer a call. Well, the first thing, obviously, you need to wear them. And when you notice that somebody is calling you, all you have to do is to press on either side. Both of them have the same button. You just need to press once, just a simple tap on the button on the side. If while you're talking you have a second incoming call, all you have to do is, when you hear the second call coming, is to press the same way you did for the first. And this will put the first one in hold, and you will be able to reply to the person calling you. To switch between them, all you need to do is to press once, and you're done. You switch between those two calls. If you're receiving an incoming call but you want to reject it, then all you have to do is to keep this button pressed during, I would say, 2-3 seconds, and then you'll clearly hear that the call has been rejected. So you need to keep it pressed. If you want to take the call on your phone, let's say you don't want to use your earbuds, all you have to do is to press twice the button. So twice quickly, like this. Don't make any pause between them. Just do it twice. All right? So these were the ways to answer calls, to reject them, and to control your phone while you're calling. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.